finally I installed Windows 8.1 and 64-bit. So it's success. No errors. It's success. See that it's now 64-bit. Earlier was 32-bit because I don't like 32-bit as well because it doesn't open any modern apps, because I want to use the modern apps like this, and let me try the Blender. It's now success. I think it's still supported on Windows 8.1 because nowadays Windows 8.1 is now dead. Blender closes. Now we have VLC, it's working. Now with with record button. Because earlier it doesn't have the record button because it's automatically 32-bit. And Google Earth is working well. It's still supported into my Windows 8.1 PC. And I'm very happy with this. But the next time if my aunt finds the USB of Windows 10, it's good. And it's better now because Windows 10 is very popular now in 2024, and the time was unexpected. It should be changed. Yes, it should be changed at time. The time is 7 and it's AM here in the Philippines. Let me check the time. So it's the time. Yeah, that's the time. And the Facebook is working well in Google Chrome, and Chrome is working. Everything works fine. IMG Burn works fine too. Yeah, everything works fine. Even Airfad View works fine too. Also, I install Microsoft Office, but this is the alternative for Microsoft Office, LibreOffice, and this one is Microsoft Office. But there's still I don't know what is it. So everything looks so modern and more new than the earlier Windows 8. So there are a lot of apps right there so that I can use. Yeah, they're in the Metro apps. They have the close. I think the store is still alive, but it takes so long to wait because I think it's unsupported now. Let me try Street View and let me see if the graphics. I actually install Intel graphics. That is according to the motherboard. Yeah, it's working. It's working right now. Yeah, I press the arrow keys. I press the arrow key and look at that. It's so good to play with this. Oh, now everything. Let me check the themes. It's now modern. It means you're using Windows 8.1 and the default taskbar is this and this and this when you enter Windows 8.1. For Windows 8, it only shows me this and this. Internet Explorer and File Explorer into the taskbar. And I'm so happy so that the next time if my aunt is finding USB, yeah, it will upgrade to Windows 10 sooner or later. So that's it for the video. I will install more software in that next videos, and everything works fine. And I install Avast for protection. Yeah, it's working still. Now thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe.